Hi, crab cakes. Corgi has come out with a brand new Chitty Chitty Bang Bang model. It reminds me of the beach, and that's why I've come to the Outer Banks of North Carolina, where there's miles and miles of pristine beach. A perfect place for a summer vacation, and a perfect place to review our new Corgi Chitty Chitty Bang Bang car. I'm going to unbox this new car off camera while you listen to our cool intro.
Yeah, the crab song. The crab song.
Oh, ding, 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 ding. That did take long to unbox. Just like you could see through the box, it looked like it was going to be great looking. It's even better in person. It is got all the parts you come to expect, just like in the movie. You got the 4 characters, Cradicus Potts, Truly Scrumptious, and the 2 kids. Can't remember their names, but if you do, put them in the comment section below so the rest of us will know. It's got wings on the front and back, and fold-out wings on the side for when a car needs to fly to get away from trouble, just like in the movie. There's plenty of gold accents, spare tire, the steering wheel, and the dashboard detail is fantastic. And even the side pipe exhaust detail is great. The front lights are really special, and the red spoked wheels really add a lot to this. This is a good looking car. It doesn't weigh too much. It's a little more than a normal plastic car weight wise, because there's a lot of detail to it and the figures, but it's not the same weight as a white metal or die cast car. But it also doesn't carry the same price as a white metal or die cast car. This is a very reasonable car that's much nicer than just sort of toy quality. This is going to look really, really good in an O-gauge layout or a Department 56 or Lemax Christmas village. And maybe a little beach scene in one of those Christmas villages, or maybe just going down the street as part of the Christmas scene. Either way, it's relatively inexpensive, so I think it's a really good buy for an addition to your layout or display. It's going to look good in ours, and I think it's going to look good set up in some shots that we're going to do today here at the beach. So we're going to set up some of those shots and see what you think. I think you can see it looks pretty great here at the beach. You know it's going to look fantastic at home. I think it's going to look good on your layout. I highly recommend you picking one up. Really appreciate you coming by. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe right now. It really helps our channel. We appreciate it. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time on the Big Crab Cake channel.